Hi, I'm Jenny. Welcome to my channel, Beauty in a Minute. And thank you for joining me today. If you haven't done so, please consider subscribing to my channel. And if you like my video today, please kindly give me the thumbs up. Today, I'm going to talk about one of my favorite brands, and that is Dr. Dennis Gross. Because it is his world famous and award-winning alpha beta pill. I've got a box here. Alpha beta pill that really saved my skin. My skin was suffering from severe pigmentation, dullness, very rough texture, what you call, dry Mandarin peel. And it is Dr. Dennis Gross Alpha Beta Pill that really smooth my skin, cleared my skin. My skin just looked a lot brighter, just put back a bit of glow on my skin, and just start to fade those dark spots and age spots. So the Dr. Dennis Gross Alpha Beta Pill comes in 3 strengths. You've got your blue one, which is, they call it the gentle, ultra gentle daily pill, or light. And then you've got smack right in the middle. This is his universal daily pill, which is in the orange box. And then you've got the extra strength, which is in the red box. And the difference between these 3 boxes is the blue one has 3 alpha beta acids, and the orange one has got 5 alpha beta acids, and the red one has got 7 alpha beta hydroxy acids. And the other difference is in the step 2. The step 2 in the blue one has retinol. The step 2 in the orange one has got retinol, vitamin C, and a whole lot of anti-aging and antioxidant properties and ingredients. Whereas the blue one only has retinol and a whole lot of fruit seed oil. And the step 2 in the red one and the orange one is very much the same. This one is the strongest, the most intense. This one is right in the middle. This one I would say, and most people can use. And this one here is advertised for those with sensitive skin. If you have sensitive skin and this is your first time using a pill pad, or these are all called chemical pills, using alpha hydroxy acid and beta hydroxy acid to exfoliate your skin, to remove that top layer of dead skin cells. And as it removes that top layer of dead skin cells, it encourages new cells to be produced. And as it removes that top layer of usually dry, texturized, pigmented cells, it also encourages new cells. And the other thing that pill pads like this do is that once you remove that top layer of dead skin cells, then it allows active ingredients to be able to enter more into the deeper layers of your skin. I like using all of them. My suggestion is, like I said, if you have very sensitive skin, if this is your first time using chemical pill pad, go for this. If you are middle-aged, 35 or 40 plus, I suggest, unless you have very sensitive skin, but if you have just combination normal skin, you can go directly to this, the universal alpha beta pill. This has 5 acids. And if you find that your skin has really well adjusted to this, and you feel that you're ready to take the next step to get a deeper exfoliation, a stronger exfoliation, you can go for this, the extra strength that has got 7 acids. It's just stronger. So the other difference is that this one doesn't have glycolic acid, whereas this too has got glycolic acid. This one only has lactic acid and malic acid. Whereas glycolic acid, the molecules in the glycolic acid is really tiny, and therefore it can enter deeper into our cells, and that will start its exfoliating process. Yeah, so glycolic acid is really almost like the golden rule for chemical exfoliation. So this too has got glycolic acid. So if you are not sure, you can always buy these small sizes here. And it's great. You can get these 4 small sizes. And each of these small sizes has got 5 sachets inside of them. Yeah, I've used one of them, so there's 4 in this one. Yeah, so at least you can just sample try and see how your skin react to the product. And so it's quite a good idea to just start with this sample box before you move into the bigger size box, which is this one here, which is what I've got, a box of 30. So the, what you call the sample box, that has got 5 in here. And a box of this is $27 here in New Zealand at Mecca stores, online or in store. And if you really like them, you can go to the box of 30. This is $141 for a box of 30. I personally have used all 3 of them, and I like all 3 of them. When I first started, my skin was really, really bad. When I've never exfoliated my skin. When I first started, my skin was more combination, has got the oily areas and dry areas. I started actually using the extra strength, and I find it really good. But now that my skin is quite well exfoliated, I no longer has, I've got really nice smooth skin now, thanks to Dr. Dennis Ross. When you have nice smooth skin, your makeup just sits and look a lot nicer because your foundation just look a lot smoother. So now that I have used this for a couple of years now, I find that I can go down actually. I find that this one sometimes gives me a slight pinkness on my skin, and I'm really loving using the step down, the 5 acids. And I even like this on days where my skin is just slightly more sensitive. I quite like using this. So the difference is this one has 3 acids, the blue one, malic acid, lactic acid, and citric acid. And then you start having your adding your glycolic acid, salicylic acid, lactic acid, malic acid, and citric acid. And of course your red one, your red one has got the addition of the mandelic acid and the benzoic acid. So yeah, and step 2, which is the neutralizer, in the orange and red, has got a whole lot more antioxidant and anti-aging ingredients. If you wanted some glow back on your skin, if you're suffering from very dull skin, looking lifeless and dull, and you wanted some glow back, or if you have texturized skin, you've got little spots, you know, your skin is just not smooth, not nice and smooth. It's just like what you call dry mandarin peel, you know, very texturized skin. Or if you've got very large open pores, we can't really shrink our pores, but we can minimize the appearance of our pores by removing the excess oil in our pores. And that's where salicylic acid is really good for removing the excess oil in our pores. Salicylic acid is oil soluble. So this one doesn't have salicylic acid, okay? But this too has. Or if you have dark spots, age spots, sunspots, definitely start by using any of these peel pads. Yeah, if you're struggling with any of those skin concerns that I have mentioned just now, definitely give this a try. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you haven't done so, consider subscribing to my channel. And if you like my video today, please give me the thumbs up. And if you have any questions, please list them down below and I'll do my best to answer them. Otherwise, I'll catch you guys next time. Bye.